Hi everybody, this is Masoud, the electrician. As you all know, the coronavirus pandemic first started in late 2019 and quickly spread across the globe. It led to millions of deaths worldwide and caused major disruptions in our daily lives. Lockdowns, travel restrictions, and social distancing became the norm, and industries everywhere faced serious challenges. But there is another type of corona that's been known for hundreds of years, and it's not related to the virus at all. Instead, it's something that happens in the world of electricity. The corona effect was first discovered in the late 19th century, although earlier observations about electrical phenomena had been made in the 18th century. The phenomenon itself wasn't fully understood until much later, but early scientists like Michael Faraday were already investigating the effects of electrical discharge and ionization in the air. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that the corona effect became clearly identified. One of the key figures in this discovery was Nikola Tesla, who in the 1890s was experimenting with high voltage equipment and alternating current systems. While working with electrical discharge, Tesla observed unusual ionization around power lines and electrical devices. He noted that high voltage electrical fields could cause the air around the conductors to glow, leading him to study the phenomenon more deeply. Later, scientists began to refer to this glowing effect as the corona, because it looked similar to a crown around high voltage conductors. Interestingly, the coronavirus was also named corona for the same reason. Under a microscope, the virus appears surrounded by spike-like projections that form a shape resembling a crown. The term corona comes from the Latin word for crown, which ties these two phenomena together in an unexpected way. The corona effect happens when the voltage on a power line is so high that the air around it cannot keep up. Normally, air acts as an insulator, stopping electricity from escaping. But when the electric field becomes really strong, it pushes the air molecules so hard that they break apart into charged particles. This creates a faint glow and a buzzing sound around the power line. This effect can cause a few issues. First, it leads to power loss, which means less efficient energy transmission. Second, it can create electromagnetic interference that affects communication systems like radio signals. Over time, the corona effect can also damage equipment by causing wear on the wires and increasing the likelihood of breakdowns. To manage the corona effect, engineers use several techniques. One common solution is to design special conductors, such as larger or bundled wires, that help reduce intensity of the electric field. They also use corona rings, which are metal rings placed around power lines to reduce the ionization effect. Improving insulation and using better materials for conductors also help minimize the problems caused by corona. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to know more about electricity and the fascinating concepts behind it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.